the first thing we caught, see? Little baby turtle. Hang on.
He swims.
Yeah, you hear the thunder?
Thunder and the lightning.
We don't have long. I just hope I don't end up catching a bunch of bluegill. I'm after catfish. It's about 100 degrees. That turtle's injured right there. No, this one, he's floating. He's got a bladder problem or something, air bladder. Somebody must have hooked him. Or maybe he's got an injured foot. People are assholes when they hook turtles. They abuse them for no reason. Hear that thunder there? Oh, there was a catfish right there and he got off. And he took my bread. You know what they say, if you can hear thunder, you're close enough to the lightning to be struck by it, so. And we're right next to a bunch of trees. We may not have long at all. I just hope we finally get some rain. This pond's only about 3 feet deep and it's a foot low right now, so it's only got about 2 feet of water in it.
I got a minnow.
Good.
Should I release him?
Yeah, we don't have anywhere to put him. Just hold on to that turtle. We'll put him in the pond. It's a lot of thunder. There's one. Big one. Oh my God, he got off. Oh man. Did you see it at least?
Yeah, I saw
Did you see it? Big old mouth. That was about 2 pounds. That thunder's getting really close. So that's my second catfish and I'm 0 for 2.
Hey, there's one right here. Let me see if I can get him.
It's probably not worth getting him in a net. He'll tear that net up.
Catfish?
Oh yeah. They got real big bony fins and an attitude problem. That's a lot of thunder. There it is again. Good old summer thunderstorm, hit or miss. I'm using a little bluegill hook. Again, this is a very shallow pond and it's about a foot low, which isn't good. Usually those rocks right there are out of water. I mean underwater. Right now they're out of water. Keep checking my line because I don't want to hook turtles. If you leave it down there long enough and you don't get a fish, odds are you're going to get a turtle, which isn't good. There's something. It's bluegill, I think. There's those ducks. Is that an albino duck or is that just a white goose? Somebody let me know, please. Looks just like a mallard. Man, I'd really like to get one catfish, land one at least, because we might have to go soon. There's one. Got it. I hooked him good. Yeah. You want to come over here? Take a look? It's another skinny one.
Is it a catfish or blue?
Yeah, it's a catfish. It's not real big. There we go. Hooked him good. The turtle? This is one of the smaller catfish I've caught here.
Lightning! Oh my God!
You saw lightning?
It was really close to us.
All right, we're gonna get going.
Look, he was swimming. Oh,
There we go, unhooked him.
he's humongous.
Now I know people don't like me on letting them go like this, but these things have nasty fins. There we goes. Ugh, there he is. He's gone.
I get him now.
Yeah, let's go.
Look,
Unless you want to
he was swimming.
take one more shot of that turtle.
See?
Cool little guy.
See?
Yeah, let's get out of here, man.
Let's
That storm's
swim
coming.
away.
At least we hooked 3 and got 1,
Look,
right?
he's swimming. He's swimming. He was swimming. Come on.
Hey, don't shake him. There he goes.
He's happy.